bit of snow on Bellamy Harbor Park. The harbor park goes that way, but I'm in another section of the boat. Got the ramp here, fishing dock basically, at the trail, and it's snowing. Going to be brutally cold out for a couple days, especially Tuesday. The high for Syracuse is going to be about 8 degrees, which means for Rome it's going to be about 0 with the wind chill, below 0 in the daytime. Nighttime is going to be especially cold unless it's cloudy. If it's cloudy out Tuesday night and there's some wind, shouldn't get that cold, but it'll still be cold. It's only for a few days. That's the bathhouse right there. Shower facilities for the boaters. I noticed that the lights on the water tower once again are not blinking. They only blink like one day a week, different colors. I don't know if you can hear it on the GoPro, but it's windy out. Definitely a cold front coming in. When you're in the harbor park, by the way, for your information and safety, if you decide to venture down and walk down these steps here towards the boat ramp, be very careful because it's concrete and it can be very icy. So be very careful. Today it's really icy because the gateway to the Bellamy Harbor Park, and it is blowing and snowing. Should make the skiers and maybe some snowmobilers happy. The pedestrian bridge. It's pretty deep. As you can see. All this is just about an hour. Be some heavy snow drifts. I can hear all the geese. Statements. You are here. That's the trail section. All the way up to Chestnut Street on Griffiths. beeping sound is the pedestrian walk signs. As you can see. Make sure you use them, people. This is a bad intersection. Black River Boulevard meets East Dominic Street and continues down towards Erie Boulevard. And of course, don't forget, you got Ace Hardware. According to them, it's 23 degrees. Center of Fort Stanwix, Fahrenheit, which is open, but the fort itself, which is completely white out. Damn if I can see. That's closed. But the visitor center is open. Very educational, informative, and interesting. This is North James Street. The parking garage. There used to be a bank. Urgent care. Got a lot of those in Rome. Let's try to continue. Snow is getting deep. I think we're going to get more than 5 inches. Of course, with the wind, there's going to be heavy snow drifts, especially on the country roads, and it's completely iced. Oof. Let's try that again. All this came in on the weekend, and the fort doesn't plow on the weekends.